The information presented here is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as personalized financial advice. Please consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. What if one decision could spark a chain reaction that sets your finances on fire for decades? Imagine this. You put $10,000 into 3 of the most powerful index funds Fidelity has ever engineered. You forget about market headlines, ignore the noise, and let your money grow. Not just grow, a silent, relentless snowball, compounding, doubling, quadrupling, multiplying into something far bigger than your starting amount. You didn't win the lottery, you didn't time the market, you just made a single smart move. Today, we're testing that exact scenario using real numbers. What if you invested $10,000 in the 3 best Fidelity index funds? Get ready. This is not a thought experiment, it's a playbook, and your future self is begging you to pay attention. Let's set the scene. It's November 2025. Interest rates are stabilizing, inflation's cooled off, and the S&P 500 is back to its resilient self, led by giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. The investing world is rethinking costs, efficiency, and compounding. And Fidelity is quietly crushing it behind the scenes. Their index funds are not just good. They're engineered to be relentless wealth machines. The best part? You don't need to gamble, guess, or get lucky. All you need is a plan. Let's dive into what $10,000 could do if you set it and forget it with Fidelity's 3 best index funds. All right, you're probably wondering, which funds are the best, right now, for real investors? Here's the list every serious long-term investor should know by heart. First up, Fidelity 500 Index Fund, ticker symbol FXAIX. It's the classic, unshakable workhorse. FXAIX tracks the S&P 500 with remarkable accuracy, giving you exposure to America's economic powerhouses. You get nearly 500 stocks in one low-cost basket, and the annual expense ratio? Just 0.015%. That's $1.50 per year for every $10,000 you invest. Try getting that deal anywhere else. It's almost free money. For as long as the S&P 500 has been the king of compounding, FXAIX has been the perfect way to tap into its returns. Past performance? 12 to 14% annualized in recent years. That means your nest egg is working overtime for you every single year. Second, Fidelity. 0. Large Cap Index Fund, FNILX. This fund is downright revolutionary. Why? 0 expense ratio. You don't pay a penny in fees. Not 1 cent. It tracks the Fidelity US Large Cap Index, so you're getting huge, quality companies, just like the S&P 500, but without the licensing costs. Beginners love it, pros use it to supercharge compounding, and the strategy is elegant. Eliminate fees, let the returns compound. In 2025, large caps are winning, driven by strong balance sheets and economic stability. The bottom line? FNILX is cost-cutting at its finest, turning Wall Street's old rules upside down. Third, Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, FSKAX. If you want to own America's full growth engine, big, medium, and small companies in one sweeping collection, FSKAX is your golden ticket. Over 3,800 holdings covering every market cap, every sector, every flavor of the US economy. Expense ratio? Still rock bottom at 0.015%. That gives you instant diversification and sets you up for both safety and upside. As small mid-caps rebound post-inflation, FSKAX puts you in the driver's seat for the next wave of growth. Think of it as a market-wide safety net with muscle. Now let's put these 3 funds head-to-head in a real-world experiment. We invest $10,000, split 3 ways, and let time do its magic. FXAX, FNILX, and FSKX, $3,333 into each. What happens next will likely flip your understanding of passive investing on its head. Here's the explosive math. Let's say the annualized return for these funds averages 14%. That's not cherry-picking. The S&P 500's 10-year CAGR, compound annual growth rate, lands in that zone, and these funds track it tightly. No trading, no rebalancing, just pure index investing, left untouched. Start with $10,000. 10 years from now? That turns into $37,000 plus. Yes, more than triple, without lifting a finger. 20 years in, your $10,000 morphs into $137,000. Think about that. The original risk money is long gone. It's the compounding boulder rolling faster every year. 30 years, the real magic window. Your $10,000 blows past $500,000. That's not hype. That's the simple math of compounding energy unleashed. The secret ingredient isn't picking the perfect entry point or timing recessions. It's staying invested and letting relentless math do its work. Here's the first plot twist. Compounding always wins. Imagine earning 10% return in year one. Now your money grows to $11,000. Next year, 10% on $11,000 gets you $12,100. Year after that, it's $13,310. Every year, the amount earned is bigger, even if the rate stays the same. The difference between early dropouts and lifetime millionaires is not luck, it's patience. But let's level up the story. Why these funds, and not some hotshot actively managed fund or single stock? Simple. Costs. Every dollar saved in fees stays in your pocket and compounds every year. FXAX and FSKX offer 0.015% expenses. FNILX is free. That means over a decade or 3, you're not just earning returns. You're earning returns on the returns your fees would have stolen. If you had picked a typical mutual fund with a 1% expense ratio, you'd be leaving tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands, on the table. Still with me? Let's test against life's biggest curveballs. This is the dollar cost averaging strategy if you invest the same amount on a consistent basis. What about market crashes, recessions, scary headlines? FXAIX, FNILX, and FSKX are designed for stability. Because you own the market, you ride out the storms and benefit from recoveries, instead of guessing wrong and bailing out when panic sets in. For every dollar you leave invested, the next wave of expansion lifts you back up. No active manager anywhere has beaten the compounding power of low-cost indexes over 30 years. Need extra proof? Check out how the past decade unfolded. Even as tech stocks surged, inflation scared millions, and media panicked, these index funds quietly churned out consistent double-digit returns. All you needed to do was sit tight and trust the machine. Imagine ignoring the financial news, just letting Fidelity's index funds compound away. That's the secret that ultra-wealthy investors have used for generations, now available for everyone. That massive scale, $736 billion in assets for FXAIX, represents the cumulative trust of generations of investors, all seeking stability and the ease of hands-off growth. When you choose a fund this big, you're riding the same wave as pensions, endowments, and countless individual accounts, each dollar compounding through booms and busts. FNILX, on the other hand, is shattering fee boundaries, helping everyday savers capture nearly all market gains without paying a dime in management costs. FSKAX serves as a financial backbone, letting you participate in the entire economic heartbeat of the United States, spanning everything from blue-chip titans to nimble startups. Investors leverage this trio to simplify their strategy and maximize long-term rewards. Let's pivot to a relatable story. Suppose John decides to invest $10,000 today, splitting it equally into FXAIX, FNILX, and FSKAX. He's doing this to see what happens, not just for himself, but for a long-term challenge his viewers can track. In year one, he's already up over $1,400. 10 years out, his investment stands higher than when he left college. At 20 years, that $10,000 matches the down payment for a new house. 30 years later, John checks his account, barely believing his eyes. It's $500,000. All from a single decision, executed with consistency. Just imagine the possibilities. Every year, compounding does the heavy lifting, outpacing inflation and market tantrums. You're earning returns not just on capital, but on returns from previous years, and on the fees you avoided. That's triple compounding superpower. Ready for another twist? These funds don't just work for retirement. They're ideal for college savings, financial independence, early retirement, or legacy wealth building. All you need is time and discipline. Fidelity's index machines are built for everyone, regardless of experience level. Beginners, pros, and even financial educators rely on these tools for consistent, worry-free growth. Step into the future. Let's say you're using one of Fidelity's free investment calculators. You punch in $10,000, set the expected annual return at 14%, and boom. The projections reinforce everything covered today. In 10 years, $37,000, 20, $137,000, 30, $500,000 plus. What feels like slow progress at first quickly explodes into exponential growth. And if you're adding new contributions every month, the numbers skyrocket even faster. Here's a little-known detail. Fidelity's Zero Fund series, like FNILX, not only removes expense ratios, but also eliminates transaction fees, making every dollar count. That means even small investors, those starting with $100 or $500, are getting the same compounding advantage as the big guys. It's democratization at its finest. Wall Street's barriers are coming down. But maybe you're asking, what about diversification? Isn't putting all your eggs in 3 baskets risky? Not here. FXAIX, FNILX, and FSKAX collectively cover thousands of companies, every sector: technology, industrials, healthcare, consumer staples, energy, and more. Small cap resurgence? FSKAX grabs it. Tech boom? FXAIX rides along. Defensive stability during market wobbles? Your funds are built to weather it, quietly balancing out the risk. Next up, longevity. Most funds fade, merge, or underperform, especially those run by hotshot managers chasing trends. Fidelity's index lineup is permanent, low-cost, and battle-tested. You don't need to check quarterly performance, stress over style box shifts, or worry about a manager leaving. The index is the index, and Fidelity keeps the tracking error razor thin. So what's the real takeaway? If you invest $10,000 in these 3 funds today, the true ROI isn't just measured in dollars. It's in peace of mind, consistency, and the clarity of knowing your long-term engine is running at full throttle. You're winning while you sleep, work, travel, or create. No effort, no second-guessing, just results. Let's get more tactical. Suppose you're in your 20s or 30s, staring down decades of compounding ahead. You buy into FXAIX, FNILX, and FSKAX, letting dividends and growth roll back into the fund. Every dividend payment adds fuel to your compounding fire. Each year, the snowball gets bigger, picking up speed, and, critically, every contribution pushes your total return higher. Think you've missed the window? Think again. The real winners are the ones who stay in longest, not the ones who buy at the perfect time. If you're in your 40s or 50s, starting today sets you up for a powerful 2-decade sprint. If you're teaching kids about money, these funds are the best lesson on patience they'll ever get. Compounding rewards the persistent. So, what's the catch? Are there risks? Of course. Markets can and do go down. But the entire premise here is built around long-term, disciplined investing. No speculation, no market timing. If you stay the course, the historical odds are in your favor, year after year. Let's spice it up with a final challenge. Picture yourself at a social event 10 or 20 years from now. Old friends are talking about the lottery, day trading, the latest meme stock. You smile quietly, knowing your own portfolio has steadily snowballed, quietly beating 95% of all active investors. The secret? You started early, trusted compounding, kept costs near zero, and never blinked in the face of volatility. So, let's bring John's journey home. He looks back at 30 years of consistent, disciplined index investing. No market timing, no stress, just compounding. The best part? Anyone watching this can do the same. There's nothing special about the process, except deciding to start. Skip the noise, ignore the headlines, invest smart, and let the math do its work. If you're looking for the world's simplest investing plan that actually works, this is it. Put $10,000 into the 3 best Fidelity index funds: FXAIX, FNILX, FSKAX. Forget about short-term ups and downs, and let compounding genius build your wealth. The sooner you start, the bigger your snowball. One decision, a lifetime of results. The rest is up to you. Will you take action or stay on the sidelines as compounding's magic unfolds without you? Because after all, the biggest risk isn't market swings, inflation, or fees. The real risk is never starting or getting scared out by short-term noise. Index investing, especially in best-in-class funds like FX, AIX, FNILX, and FSKAX, is time-tested, mathematically sound, and built to deliver for the persistent investor. Ready to launch your wealth-building journey? Drop a thumbs up if you want to see your $10,000 turn into serious gains over time. If this video sparked ideas or inspired your next move, be sure to hit that like button. It helps more smart investors discover this content. Got a question, success story, or strategy of your own? Share it in the comments below. And if you found real value today, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join this financial community and keep building your snowball together, one smart move at a time. Like, share, and subscribe now.